घूमते रहेंगे, ऐसे ही घूमते रहेंगे। और साइड देख के चला भाई जरा।
Go back around where we was at.
Anita, where is your bodyguard?
Listen, be quiet. I'm heading to the handsome hotel. Go back to where we was at, where the banks was at.
शादी में पे देखो
Right.
हम सब
देख लो मैं पे देख लो मौसा जी हम सब सारे फसल आ रहे हैं
Go straight.
स्ट्रेट यहाँ से भाई सीधा
भाई सीधा जाने तो सीधा घूमते रहेंगे ऐसे ही।
यार अगर आप लोग इसको नेट दे दोगे हॉटस्पॉट से
हाँ ले लो
ले लो
भाई।
At the handsome hotel. I was gonna put money into this hotel, but when I hotel, I would like to come out. Yes, hello. This is the handsome hotel. Thank you very much. I would like the government to drop 200K in this hotel. This is a nice hotel. She's the owner right here. Thank you. She's
I'm not the owner. Sorry, ma'am.
Go get the owner, please.
The owner is not here, ma'am.
The owner. This is the owner. Say hello, everybody. This is the owner. Say hello. She's very shy. Don't worry about it. She's very shy. She's very shy.
अवेलेबल
No, I'm not staying here.
भाई वो पहुंच गई है वहाँ पे, उसने क्लेम किया, उसने बोला ऐसा थोड़ी 4 महीने पहले मैं आई थी रह गई उसको मत।
This woman right here in the blue, she's very disrespectful in the back. Y'all need to get her out of here.
मैं टाइप नहीं कर पा
Get a photo of her, please.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
What are you trying to do here?
I was trying to help your hotel. Now, y'all can shut this hotel down because they cheat people and they take people money. You can pay all the workers in here $50K a piece every 2 weeks. Thank you
अगर
very
आप
much.
इनको होटल दे सकती हैं तो चीपा फाउंडेशन को पे करेगा आपको
I want all the workers to come to the front.
हाँ ये टिकट
क्योंकि ये सिक्योर हो जाएगी अगर यहाँ को अगर रूम दे सकते हैं
sorry,
तो जो भी पे करना है वो आपको पे करेंगे
Get all the workers. They are getting $50K every week. They shutting this place down. This place is no good. It's going to be under new management. They are very disrespectful. I was pregnant and they did not accept me here. This lady and this lady in the blue.
होटल पे